Okay, I'm excited because I just received my Charles & Keith, my very first purchase from Charles & Keith. So it's gonna be an unboxing and reviewing and just trying it out. I never heard of them until TikTok came along. So, you know, I was browsing through my TikTok, and on this feed, there's all these people talking about this Charles & Keith brand. And so lo and behold, yes, I did. I made a purchase. I can't resist. It arrived, I think, within a week of my purchase, and it arrived by DHL. Shipping to Canada was $25, and it came from Singapore. Like, I thought it was an American brand, but it was shipped from Singapore. So I don't know, but the quality looks good. So it comes in this big giant box. Let's open it up. I wanted an everyday tote that will go over my winter jacket. I'm getting prepared for winter, fall and winter. That was the reason. I had to get it. And it retailed for $96 Canadian. And of course, if you sign up, you will get, like, if you first sign up, you can get 10% off your first purchase, which of course I use. There we go. It's called this, I think it's Celia Quilted Tote. And I got it in black, and it's considered a medium size. Oh, is this cute? Okay, yes, okay. So it has two top handles, which I like, because then it just adds a little something. I could wear this crossbody or carry it with a tote. You know, I thought it's medium size, but this to me looks like a small. I don't know, in the pictures it looks bigger. And it's a zipper, has a zipper. Okay, and here it comes. This is what drew me. I love crossbody totes. I like to be hands-free. It's very practical. The strap that got me. I love the strap. Because it was two colored strap. Does that make sense? Two-tone strap. I don't know. There's something about the strap that caught my eye. That is adjustable with the gold hardware. So it's pretty nice, actually. And it has the Charles & Keith engraved here. Okay, let's try this on. I kind of am disappointed in the size. I really don't think this is a medium. This looks like a small. Oh my God, I hope I should fit my wallet and essentials, I suppose. Oh, but I just love the detailing. So it's gonna look like this. So inside it comes with a pouch. That's cute. Okay, the stitching looks okay. I just feel like for $96 plus the $25 shipping, this was not, because it feels like in the pictures, it looks like a very sturdy, thick, you know, good quality fake leather. This feels like Shein shine quality, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I don't know if I would pay $96 for this. And not to mention the interior, it's like, the bottom of the bag is cloth? Like, not even the same, no, it's, oh wait, it's the paper wrapping. Okay, oops, never mind. The base of it, okay. So the base is removable. Okay, I thought it was cheap cloth. It's not. It's a removable base, I guess, which it's kind of disappointing because this kind of looks, you know, on the website, it really looks cheap. It looks very expensive and high quality, but you know, when I'm looking at this closely, it's like I can't even remove all this. It's like glued on. This is annoying. Anyways, I'm not, like, I don't think this is worth $96 because the feel of it really feels like Shein quality. I probably could buy a version of this on Shein. I think I'm just paying for the name. But it is a nice bag. And their website, they have so much original designs, and that's what drew me to the store and purchased this bag, because it's just cute. It's original. Let's see. Like, this goes well with my outfit right now. Let me see. Oh, you can't see, but okay, I'll post clips afterwards. So I'm kind of disappointed. I was so excited to get it, but the quality, I wouldn't say is top notch. It's not worth paying $96. Really, this is like maybe at most, in my opinion, $50, because I could find this on Shein probably. Bag. So it has two. Okay, it has one slip interior pocket over here and a zippered compartment on the other side over here. All right. I hope it doesn't tear apart. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Okay. Will I order from them again? Maybe, but only if they're on sale. So I'm gonna be like, on this bag. So I'll try this out and see if I get any good wear out of this. I have to now because I just paid 96 bucks. $112 for this. $112 Canadian for this, including shipping. Okay, so stay tuned for more pics. Okay, so here I am trying it on after the unboxing, and it looks great. I like the design. I love the strap. I love the look of it. It's a great design. I'm not happy with the quality of the bag itself. The straps are great. They're fine. But the quality of the bag, it feels like Shein quality. And I don't think it justifies, like, I don't think it's worth $96.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In these deserts I can